to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing, like, you comment, and subscribe. And today, as promised, I'm going to unbox so I don't want to make this long, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up. So these are all the products that I received. I cannot wait. So Sephora favorites, 12 days of nicely gifted and what have you. Ooh, I like this. So each day, and you have to open it up and see what you have in there. So day one is the watermelon glow sleeping mask. I don't know if you guys can see that. Open it. Don't really smell anything. Oh, it has a cover on it. The next one is the pharmacy honey potion and antioxidant hydration mask with honey and delivered fresh. For me, it doesn't really have a smell. This is what it looks like. I don't know, I smell the honey a little bit, but it's not like strong, which I guess is a good thing. Okay, for day 3, this is the Teoxy complex Glam Glow, a gravity mud firming treatment. Oh, it's not open, so we're gonna open it and see what's in it. It smells, it doesn't really have a strong scent. Mask, firming mask treatment. Day 4 is for acne prone skin is Saturn Sulfur acne treatment mask. Medicated mask dries and clears up acne while preventing new blemishes from forming. So this is what it is, Saturn Sunny mask. I really want to try this. I can't wait to try all of them, but I really wanted to add some new things to my skincare routine, so now I have more things to add and I'm happy. So this is the Pierre Roth, and this is the Hungarian thermal water, but his name's on the side, so Pierre Thomas. Atomic flash of water activated heat nourishes and restores for smoother, younger, healthier looking skin. Okay, base Origins. I do like Origins. So this is the original skin retexturing mask with rose clay. I forgot to open the other thing. Let's see. Oh, I like the smell of this. It's with rose packaging. Outside packaging is pink. So the day 7 is turmeric. I can't wait to see that. It's Hello Fab. The Hello Fab ginger and turmeric vitamin C jelly mask. Ooh. Safe for sensitive skin. Let's see if that has any smell. I like the smell. It smells good. Okay, day 8. So day 8 is the Core's pomegranate eye has. I think that's what it is. An enzyme resurfacing mask. I'm oily combination skin, which is me. Smells, and it says to open it. I can smell it throughout without the with the lid on. This smells good too. So I don't like pomegranates, like eating them, but this smells really good. Can't wait to try that. Now it's day 9. Thank you. Next. Skia. Oh, charcoal. I love charcoal stuff. Yes. Thank you, Sephora and Pinch Me, for this. This is the Basquiat. I don't know if you guys can see it. I hope so. Later, but it's the charcoal pour pudding. And let's see. It smells good too. It has like a minty smell, and that's what it looks like. Okay, so for 10 and 11 they put together. Okay, so this is 10. Let's start with 10. This is the rose mask infused with real rose petals, hydrates, and tones. And this is by Fresh. And so just show you, it comes in a smaller bottle. Rose face. If I, okay, it's not open, but we're gonna go. Ooh, Abigail almost dropped all of it. It has that, and Abigail's making a mess out of it right now. But just to show you guys the color, without me messing it up, it's like a Arvin is turmeric. Okay, you guys giving me turmeric. I heard turmeric is really good for your skin, so I want to see how these products really work for me. This is the Kiehl's. I think I'm saying it correctly. Kiehl's. This is the turmeric and cranberry seed energizing radiance mask. This reminds me of another mask I've used, and I can't think of what it is. Whoa. The Herbivore Boo Tansy, yeah. Sing clarity mask. All these masks. Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Oh no. Well, it smells good, but I'm making a mess out of it. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I got it all under control. But now I know. My finger's a little sticky still, but it's fine. But now I know how that product works, so I'll be very gentle with that one. I'm so happy to receive this from Pinch Me. Thank you, Pinch Me, for this. And if you want to know more, so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you like, subscribe, and you comment. And I'll see you guys next time.